Listening to this webinar, we all will learn about the employment opportunities, and they also provide information about all the steps in the recruitment funnel and the useful tips to help the candidates on how to prepare for each step and become more comfortable.
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय जय गणनायक जय गणेश जय गणेश जय जय गणनायक.
Mr. Siddheshwar Angadi, Associate Professor, RV College of Nursing, take this privilege in welcoming each one of you to today's webinar on overseas employment opportunities for Indian nurses in Italy. At the outset, I would like to welcome Ms. T. Ajungla Jamir, Consulate General of India, Milano, Italy, as a chief guest in today's event. We welcome you, ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome Dr. Ashwath Narayan CN, Minister of Higher Education, IT and BT, Government of Karnataka, also as the chief guest of today's webinar. I welcome, sir. We are extremely delighted to have such eminent and dynamic personalities among us today as a chief guest. We wholeheartedly welcome you, sir and madam. Continuing further, I would like to welcome our guests of honor for today's event. Let me begin with the welcoming of Dr. Jaykar SM, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore. Next, I welcome Dr. Belur Raghavendra Shetty, Chairman, Karnataka State Handicraft Development Cooperation Limited, Government of Karnataka. I would now like to welcome Dr. YSR Murthy, Honorable Vice Chancellor, RV University, Bangalore. I welcome Dr. Roy K. George, President, Trained Nurses Association of India, New Delhi. I extend my hearty welcome to Dr. Ramu K., Dean, Faculty of Nursing, Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Bangalore. I also welcome Dr. A.T.S. Giri, Karnataka Branch President, Trained Nurses Association of India, Bangalore. We also have guests from Italy today among us. I'd like to welcome them. First of all, I welcome Mr. Marco, President, Gabbiano 2.0 Company, Milan, Italy. Mr. Nicolo, Director. Ms. Paola, Commercial Manager, and Ms. Sabrina, Nursing Coordinator from Gabbiano 2.0 Company, Milano, Italy. Along with this, we also have Mr. Attilio, Job Spa, Milan, Italy. I wholeheartedly welcome all the distinguished in today's webinar.
I would like to acknowledge my warm welcome to all faculty members and staffs who have worked hard to make this webinar a success. I extend my amiable welcome to all the supporting hands from Kannada Association across the globe, like Vishwa Kannada Shushrushakara Sangha and our global icon Nurses Association and everyone present in there, and other various institutions and principals, and most probably and important one, our media fraternity of the webinar for their presence in this event and support throughout this event. I welcome you all once again, and I want to tell about some of the things. I started my career as a nurse in Italy back in the year of 2008 and 9. In those days, things were not so easy to understand the process to achieve our overseas dreams as a young nurse. Now that I have gained so much knowledge and experience from Italy healthcare system, that is, it is now time to reciprocate my gains back to my people in India. When I thought about this and the possibilities to make it happen, I came across the idea of opening a consultancy which will act like a bridge between Indian nurses and the Italian health system. Hence, the support and guidance of all my friends, seniors, and colleagues, I dare to dream this project with the aims and objectives of helping our peoples, helping our nurses, and helping our seniors and juniors who are in need of help to come across the across overseas field. And here we are now. I am extremely elated at the same time and nervous as well. With prayers and blessings of Almighty and those present here today, I strongly believe we can make this.
No, dicevo, se vuoi posso presentare un po' la nostra società, Gabbiano, e di tu se devo Devo
Sì.
dare qualche informazione a tutti?
Certo, va bene.
Volentieri.
Intanto noi facciamo presentare due altri, uno a principio e tutto quanto, poi dopo noi facciamo, va bene?
Va bene.
D'accordo?
Sì, sì.
Ma voi avete fretta o come Attilio?
I'm very happy and privileged to introduce Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayanan, sir, Minister for Higher Education, IT and BT Government of Karnataka. Sir is the president of Samakshara Bharati Malleshwaram, and sir also vice president for Bharatiya Janata Party Bangalore, and convener Dr.
Clement.
Cell BJP.
Hey, Clement, no need of any introduction,
No need of any introduction, but formal things.
No. Formally, now let us talk more about the subject. Let us not waste. I am the Minister of Government of Karnataka, and let us start from here. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. No introduction for you,
Thanks.
sir, because though it's a formal thing, few words I just informed, sir. Thank you so much. Over to you, sir.
Acknowledge the presence of all the dignitaries who have come together on this VC. I appreciate their presence. And as all of us are working towards this end, to have the overseas employment opportunities for Indian nurses in Italy. So in this direction, we are taking all the measures to ensure that we have nurses in big numbers who have been trained and educated in the state of Karnataka. Probably they are looking for more opportunities to work in different countries, particularly in the more advanced and developed countries, because they feel the learning also will be excellent, though they would have had a lot of hands-on experience in our state, but working with more advanced area, high-end technology, which they'll be always looking forward and a better opportunity in the terms of economy and as well as the better learning. Probably they are looking for more opportunities to work in different countries, particularly in the more advanced and developed countries, because they feel the learning also will be excellent, though they would have had a lot of hands-on experience in our state, but working with more advanced area, high-end technology, which they'll be always looking forward and a better opportunity in the terms of economy and as well as the better learning. So in this direction, probably as in a career, they look up to these countries. So in this direction, in Europe, we have many languages. Even in this aspect, we are trying to provide the required training for the learning of the languages for all these nurses and to gear up for these opportunities and facilitate for the entire placement and migration, learning, training, all these things we have been encouraging from the state of Karnataka, probably will further strengthen and ensure the manpower immigration or the requirement of the different countries will be addressed very strongly, and the aspiration of the youngsters and the nurses who are looking for a better opportunities, we would like to strengthen and work towards this, and we'll do our best. And one thing I can assure you, the Italians, that the quality of the nurses of the state of Karnataka is really good and excellent, and you can look forward for their services in your country, and which will address the requirement of your people as well as in this direction. I would like to stop here and ensure and assure that the best of the things can be done from our side. Since I hold this ministry also with regard to the skill development, and we are working in this direction, and we'll supplement. Namaskara. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Namaste. Good evening to one and all. The dignitaries who have joined us on virtual as well as on site, and dear delegates. It is my privilege to introduce Mrs. T. Ajungla Jamir, Consul General of India, Milan, Italy. Mrs. T. Ajungla Jamir joined the Indian Foreign Service in 2005. She has served in High Commission of India in Kuala Lumpur, handling political and labor issues. She has also served in High Commission of India in London, looking after political, economic, and consular issues. Mrs. Jamir was Regional Passport Officer in Guwahati, Assam, looking after 6 of northeastern states of India. In the Ministry of External Affairs, Mrs. Jamir was the Director of Consular, Passport and Visa, and later as the Director of Latin America and Caribbean. Mrs. Jamir has an MPhil degree from School of International Studies.
The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. And personally also, I feel that becoming a nurse is one of the most
ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಜಕ್ಕೂ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನರಿಗೆ ದೂರದ ದುಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೂಣಿ ಆಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೇಮೇಗೌಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಮಯವನ್ನ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನೇಕ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಯನ್ನ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಇವತ್ತು ಹೊರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಉನ್ನತವಾದ ಒಂದು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
I wish to compliment the RV College of Nursing and in particular its dynamic principal, Dr. Gajendra Singh, as well as CEO, V Empire Overseas Consulting, Mr. Heme Gowda, for organizing a webinar on a very important topic. I wish to make a few observations from a legal and human rights perspective. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights asserts the right to health of every person. The International Covenant on Economic, Social, Cultural Rights, which India has signed and ratified, asserts the right of every person to highest attainable standard of physical as well as mental health. And if you look at the Indian Constitution, it provides for right to life and personal liberty under Article 21. The Supreme Court of India has interpreted this Article 21 in a very creative manner to hold that right to health is a fundamental right. Nurses and nursing profession have a critical role in the realization of this cherished human right to health. Nurses have a vital role in providing need-based patient care with utmost compassion. Nursing is a noble profession without any doubt whatsoever.
Namaste. Very good evening, all of you. Respected Honorable Minister Dr. Satyanarayana Sir, Mrs. T. Ajungla Jamir, my friend Dr. Gajendra Singh, my friend Heme Gowda, and all other foreign dignitaries. Really, it is an excellent platform. We see all the delegates from the foreign countries. The credit goes to Heme Gowda, no doubt in that. Before telling something, I would like to say a few words about Mr. Heme Gowda. I think all of you know, I am happy and proud to say that recently Heme Gowda has received the Best Nurse Award from TNA Karnataka State Branch.
Professor Roy K. George. Professor Roy K. George is a PhD holder in psychiatric nursing with more than 3 decades. Sir is an active professional. He had occupied many administrative positions. Sir has authored more than 35 scientific articles. Sir has also been holding many leadership positions in TNI currently. Sir is holding National President of TNA in National Nurses Association.
First of all, let me congratulate RV College of Nursing and Empire Overseas Consultancy, a venture by a nurse entrepreneur, for initiating a project to enable, or rather to help, nurses desirous of going to Italy in search of employment. As we all know, India prepares more than 2 lakh nurses every year. We, the insiders of the profession, know that at least 50% or even more than that goes out of the country in search of greener pastures.
I am really happy to know that this kind of the thought Mr. Heme Gowda brought to the Karnataka nurses to empower to their knowledge as well as to their economic conditions at Italy. It is a very nice thought. I congratulate to Dr. Heme Gowda. This kind of the program brought to the Karnataka nurses. In this way, Karnataka nurses can utilize their service to the Italy, Europe countries, so that they can be well in advance, they can work and they can be enlightened their knowledge as well as their economic condition also. And I congratulate to the We Empire website, which is brought today, opened by the Honorable Minister Dr. Ashwath Narayan sir. This should be helpful to the Karnataka nurses. I personally happy and I congratulate to this program. Let can be work togetherly, grow togetherly.
Today's guest of honor, Dr. Jayakar sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor of RGHS, and Dr. YSR Murthy sir, Vice Chancellor of RV University, Bangalore, Dr. Beluru Raghavendra Shetty, Chairman, KSHD, and Dr. Rai K. Judge, President of TNA, and Dr. Ramu K., Dean of Nursing RGHS, Dr. A.T.S. Giri sir, State SN Advisor, and Mr. Heme Gowda sir, CEO of We Empire Consultancy, and other honorable dignitaries from different corporate of Italy, my dear nurses and nursing fraternity, delegates, invitees, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I am very much pleased to be amidst of this great virtual webinar to discuss and express especially the views and opinions on immigration to Italy and overseas nurses employment opportunities for Indian graduate nurses in Italy. And this is organized by our RV College of Nursing, Bangalore, and We Empire Overseas Consultancy. On this occasion, I would like to express few words for future immigration intended Indian nurses for Italy. In fact, nowadays, international mobility of nurses has grown very much significantly in terms of globalization and labor dynamics, which are happening in supply and demand of nursing healthcare manpower across the world. Especially during this global pandemic of COVID-19, the nurses' workforce reputation is also keep increasing all over the world, and simultaneously the demand for overseas job opportunities for our Indian nurses is keep rising day by day. And we being Indian, we feel proud of